Hello friends, my name is Manoj from BXT Geek. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to create a simple website. Okay, so once you install the WordPress, your website will look something like that. So let's see how you can start editing your website. So one, go to your dashboard, click on setting, and like there are some general settings that you need to change. Go to the permalink structure and change the permalink to the post name. It is a kind of a user friendly, so I highly suggest to use this. After that, click on post, check if something is there. If something is there, just move it to trash. We are not going to use this. Let's go to home and let's create our pages. But first we need to delete the default pages. Okay, so in this tutorial we create a simple website. So in that website we have a home page, a contact page, about it page, and let's suppose a service or a product page. Okay, so home is there. Let's create another thing about us. Okay, now name another page as contact us. Okay, and the last let name is as product page. Okay, so we have our 4 pages. So let's create a navigation menu. For that, click on the appearance, click on menu, name it as name menu, create, and last create home, and it looks perfect. Okay, so let's go to theme. Let's install one of my favorite theme, and that is Astra. I'm also using the Cadence theme, but Astra is something that I often use. So in this tutorial, I will use the Astra theme. Okay, let's wait for this theme to install. There's nothing that is showing in our website because we haven't done anything. So let's activate it. So once it activates, over to the plugin and start adding our plugin. So first of all, let's install Elementor. So this is the one of the essential plugin that we need. The another plugin we use is this Envato Elements, and we'll also use this essential add-on for Elementor. We'll also use WP form for our contact page. Let's wait for some time, it is loading. And with the WP form, we also need one more plugin, that is Sina. So you will ask why I'm using Sina, because it's a great plugin for creating a slider. In this tutorial, I will let you know how you can create a beautiful looking slider with the help of Sina. Okay, so let's wait for some time to install and activate all those things. So they are installing. Let's wait for some time. There are other plugins as well that you can install, but I won't suggest you to install a lot of plugins in your website as it will slow down your website performance. You just need to install the only the essential plugin that is needed for your website development. It is taking longer than usual. Let's wait for some time, it will fix. Once it's done, click on install plugin because we have all the plugins installed that we need. We just need to activate them. Select all and activate. And we have almost everything ready. So we install our theme that is Astra. I suggest you to delete those themes because there is no use of these themes. It's just occupying the space in your website, in your hosting. So I want you to just remove this. Okay. So we have all our plugin. Now let's create our slider. Okay. So head over to the template and click save template. Click on add new section and name it slide 1. Okay. Let's create a beautiful slider for our website. Make it full width, make it minimum and around 600. It will look good. Let's start import few images. So okay, we imported, let's import 4 images. Let's remove this. So this is the image. Let's edit this image. So make it no repeat, make it cover, so it will cover all the space. And once done, you can, if you want, you can change the position as well, like something like center, so it will align. After that I will give this a small tent. Okay, make it this much. Okay, this look good. Something like this change color to white. Let's use some funky font, but not exactly that. Okay, so they look perfect. Just make it like 400. Okay, and add some line space, add some letter space. Okay, so now it's looking good. Okay, so one slider is ready. Now create our another slider. Go to dashboard, whatever the template, save template. So as you can see here, we are, let's see which template is our live pivot. So this one is enable, and let's trash it for now, and let use this duplicator to duplicate our slides. So we need the three slider. Keep the setting. Okay. So we have this. Let us adjust this to 2. Change the slug. Publish. 3 slug. Publish. Quick edit. 4 slug 4. Update. Publish. Okay, so we have all our slides ready. Let's edit these. Edit. Okay. Let's wait for some time to load. Just click on the 6 dot, edit, and we'll only change the images because we are creating a dummy site. If you want, you can change the text and everything as per your requirements. Okay, so we change our website. Now let's start adding changes in our home site. But prior of that, head over to the setting, click on reading, select a static page, select home. Okay, save changes. This will make our home page as a home. Now click on the pages, all pages, click on home and not the duplicate of issue. Just delete this. Click on edit for the home page. Now edit with Elementor. So it's a very powerful tool that we will use in our website. So we'll create our whole website into this only. So first we need to add a slider. So search for slider and search for Sina content slider. Just move it there. Make sure the row we selected is full width, and once done, just start editing our slider part. Make it a single slider. Come to the slider content, click here and click and rename it as slide 1 for your reference, and enable this slide use saved and click on slide 1. So what it will do, it will just fetch that for you, and you can duplicate it and you can choose the one you already created, and this is the final one. Okay, so our slides are ready, but now we need to change edit those. So click on style and make it 600 because we already selected as 600. Click on the content. I only like this arrow, not this dot. So in slider setting, if I want, can hide this thing. So I just hide those dot. But if you can see here, there's still some white borders there. So what we'll do, we'll give a negative margin. Once it's done, what we'll do, We'll unlink this and we'll remove the top and the bottom thing, and we are good. It's looking super dope, as you can see. Now we need to add a feature section. So what you can do, you know, just click on this green icon. It's by Elementor, and go to the free box and search for something feature or benefit. So let's suppose I will search for a feature section. So it is a, you can see here there are lots of feature section that you can use in your website. For this tutorial I will select this. It's a free plugin, but if you want you can also go with a paid one, and it's worth spending that money. Even with the free option you can achieve lots of things. Okay, so our feature section is also done, as you can see here, and it's look pretty much cool. And after that, let's create a CT or something. Call to action. Search for something, then anything related to call to action. Okay, and let's try to add this here. Okay, so we have this thing set up, and now you can import the WP form thing over here, but we haven't created any form here, so we can skip that part for now. Or if you want you can also go to the dashboard or a website and you can start creating one. So what we'll do, we'll go to our website and we'll create one. Go to the dashboard of our website, click on the push form and add new. Select this one, newsletter sign up form. And here we just need the email because only email will look good over there. So we'll delete this and good, we're good to go. So we'll just refresh this page so that it will sync. Now search for WP. Okay, let's remove that. Let's select our form that we just created. Remove the title. That title is not look good. And also hide the labels. Just make this button. Click on style. Click on submit button. Width, full width. Let's change the color. Something that will match the theme, but it's not matching with the theme. Let for the timing, let make this one. Okay, so yeah, it's looking good. Or if you want you can to middle to make it look more attractive. Okay, yeah, so we have our description thing is ready. Let's create a testimonial section over here. So yeah, testimonial fit is there. So as you can see here there are lots of options. We'll select this one as it will go with the theme. So if you want to if you want to scale up your website development thing, then I highly suggest you to use this Elementor plugin. It will boost your website development speed. Okay, so we almost done this. Let's create a footer simple footer. Yeah, we have the footer. For the time being, let's select one that look good over this website. Okay, use this one. So as you can see here, our website is almost done. Like the home page is done. So as you can see here, there is some spacing is there. We'll remove that spacing. Okay, now we are good to go. So our home page is almost done. You can see here. Our home page is looking so good. Now I can go to the about section and you can also start editing that. Click on the edit page. Click on edit with Elementor. And with the inventor you can do like anything. There are lots of predefined builders are there that you can use. Just suppose for our about this will go really very well with the website and the current design. Now we need to create a header footer. We'll use the same footer and here's the one that we already used. Okay, that look good. Now we need to create our contact page. So click on edit section, edit page. Click on edit with Elementor. Click on this green icon and free blocks and search for the contact page and choose which one you think that will go very well with your website, and I think this will really looks good on our current website. So we'll import this. Okay, so it is already imported. Let's add the footer one more final time. So this one. So you just need to create a contact form over here. Let's create another contact form over here. Just save it and create one more. So add new. Simple contact form will work great. We didn't do lots of things over there. So click on the simple contact form. Almost everything is here. Just save this. Refresh this page. No, first update this page. And once done, refresh this page. Search for WP form and you will get this. Just drag it and select the form that we want created. Okay, so okay, it's look good, but we need to hide the title, we need to add the labels and description. Okay, and placeholders, but label option is not there, so we can also go to this page and we need to disable this labels and we need to add the placeholder. So let click here, advanced option, placeholder, first name, last name, hide labels, hide. Okay, click there and just enter place here, enter your email, hide label, go to the advanced, hide level and enter your message. Almost everything are done. Just save it, save here, and just update here. Wait for the update and let's refresh it. As you can see here, our contact form is successful. Just need to change the this button thing. Just submit this. Make the full width. Change the color to something green. Okay, make it the same thing. Okay, input text. Change the color to no, make it white. Input area, text area, text color. Okay, so almost everything done. Our contact page is also ready. Now we need to create our product page. Click on edit with the Elementor. Again click on this green icon, go to free block and search for something product or service. So we have the service and let's add this one and add our footer. The only thing that is pending in this website is the home section, like the logo. Okay, so I hope you like this quick tutorial. This is a quick tutorial how you can create a simple website, and this won't take you that much time. If you see here, it does not take that much of time. It's only taken roughly like 30 minutes. Within 30 minutes you created this beautiful looking website and you can sell this website to your customer for like few $100. So it's a great deal, like knowing something. So if you follow this tutorial you can create a pretty simple website and that website will pay you. So I hope you like this tutorial. I'm uploading every new video on every Saturday, so if you want to enjoy those videos, you can stay connected with my channel by subscribing this. I hope you like this video and have a great day.